What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Right in front of us, we have the Gazillion Bubbles Ultimate Bubble Mania. Now, this machine does have 12 built-in LED lights, recommended for the ages of 3+. They even give you 2 boxes of bubble solution. Each box is 1 liter, and today they're giving us $5 off the price, bringing it down to $16.99. Also available at Costco online for $19.99. To my right, from Cascade Mountain Tech, we have the water sports noodles in front of us. Now, these do come in a single pack here at Costco, but they are giving us $4 off the price, bringing it down to $18.99. In today's video, Tuesday, May 20th, we do have the hot flash deals for the week. Every Monday and Tuesday, I do announce the new deals here at Costco on my channel. Also, friends, I did not forget about our giveaway. We're giving away the Shark Wand Vac. We have 16 days left of the giveaway, so make sure you enter. Link will be in the comment section. If you do need step-by-step instructions, watch this video to the very end. I'll explain each entry step by step. If not, the link will be in the comment section. Pretty simple to enter the giveaway. Now, I do want to mention the giveaway is absolutely free to enter. This is my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. In the number 2 spot from Acer, we have their 15.6-inch portable monitor. Has a widescreen IPS display. It's an ultra slim portable design, so it's super lightweight. Has a 60 Hz refresh rate with a 6 millisecond response time. This is a fantastic monitor, and today we're seeing a nice $10 discount finally. Not that great, but still not bad at all, bringing the price down to $69.99. Also available at Costco online for the same exact price. In the number 3 spot from GreenMade, we have their 5-tier utility rack. Fantastic price. Now, these are 36 inches in length, 17.7 inches wide by 73.6 inches in height. They're made in the United States. Each shelf can hold up to 150 pounds. Fantastic design, great price, $6 off the price, only $24.99. Now, these go for almost double the price at Costco online. In the number 4 spot from Kohler, we have their Maxim toilet currently on sale. When it comes to Costco's coupon book or Costco's hot buys, 100% of these items in my videos will be available across nationwide for the same exact price what I show you. Now, when it comes to my flash deals for the week, my flash deals, 80 to 90% will be available nationwide. Not 100% because items do vary from warehouse to warehouse. So I do like to mention that. So here we have the Kohler toilet, $30 off the price, $209.99. I do provide the item number in the bottom right hand corner. That way you can grab that item number, call your local Costco, or you can look it up on the app to A, make sure you have it in stock, and B, make sure the price matches what I show you in my videos. In the number 5 spot from Lutech, we have their motion activated solar security light. Now, this does have a brightness level of 5000K, has 2500 lumens, so it is quite bright, especially for solar. Now, it has a triple head on it, as you can see there. Not bad at all. 180-degree max sensor coverage, and the cable for the solar panel, 15 feet in length, so you can stretch it out. $8 off the price. Not bad at all for $19.99, especially for solar. In the number 6 spot from Lutech, we have their 12-inch wall light. Now, this does have that farmhouse style vibe to it. Looks pretty nice. Has a dusk till dawn sensor. Has a bright warm light that's 1200 lumens. The bulb is that E26 bulb. Also has a very easy quick connect for easy installation, which is great. Kind of like those Wagyu clips. Today, they're giving us a nice $5 discount. Check out that price. Only $19.99. Pretty awesome. The reviews, not bad. A lot easier to install than the Fight on clearance right next to me. So keep that in mind as well. In the number 7 spot from Reolink, we have their 16-channel 4K 8-camera security system. Now, these cameras are super sharp at 12 megapixels. They record 24/7. Now, you see that little black box? That records and stores all your video footage. That way, you're not paying any subscription fees, no monthly fees. You're not paying for nothing. You're just buying the camera system, and you are good to go. Now, these are a wired camera system, so you may have to hire an electrician. They run on Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. POEs, $150 off the price, $649.99. And moving along in the number 8 spot from Artica, we have their sound absorbing panel kit. Now this panel kit is pretty awesome. They have other variations available at Costco online. They're a little bit more money, but they have other variations just in case you don't like this variation. Now a lot of people love this. They're great for a variety of different reasons. You can use them in your home theater setup. You can use them in your bedroom, a sound booth. You can use your imagination. Now they look great aesthetically, but they have a lot of great value to them as well. They're made of a natural wood, MDF and felt. Now they have a super sound absorption to them. Now today, $15 off the price, $34.99. If you do want another color option, they're available at Costco online for $47.99. Keeping your tires nice and shiny from Meguiar's. We do have their tire shine in the number 9 spot. Whoa, keep that camera nice and steady. We have 150 ounces of tire shine. We do get a 3 count today. These are long lasting protection. $3 off the price, only $11.99. In the number 10 spot from the very popular Hoto, we have their cordless spin scrubber brush. Now it does come with 6 different scrub heads. It's IPX7 rated, so it is full body waterproof. Also, the charging port waterproof as well. Now you can detach everything and turn it into a handheld design, which is excellent. Has up to 110 minutes of continuous cleaning. The extendable handle is up to 51 inches. Pretty awesome scrubber here. Amazing reviews online. Hoto also just came out with a nice toolkit too as well. $10 off the price, $39.99. I should grab that for my next giveaway. In the number 11 spot from Lasco, we have their Superfan Max. This is their multi-purpose compact air mover. For those of you who have a hot garage, you want to move the hot air out of the garage, just hook this up. It does a fantastic job. Or if you get water in the basement after the sump pump pumps out the water, you can use this to dry out the floor and it does a great job. If your loved one at home who likes to cook, they love to burn things as well, not my wife obviously, you can use this to get the burnt smoke out of the house pretty quickly before it does start sticking to the furniture. $10 off the price, $49.99. And next up from Chi, we have their electronic clothing iron, and it does have a retractable cord, which is great. It also has a titanium infused ceramic sole plate that a lot of people love. Now the reviews on this clothing iron is amazing. It also has an electronic temperature control, an 8-foot cable as well. It's 1700 watts, so it is very powerful. Has an adjustable steam control as well. Super powerful iron, fantastic reviews, and today they're giving us a whopping $15 discount, bringing the price down to $44.99. And here we have that 40-piece household toolkit from Hoto I was talking about earlier. Pretty awesome set. Now it comes with a hammer. The hammer has an attachment to turn it into a kind of like a mallet, which is pretty cool. Has an adjustable wrench, needle nose plier, a measuring tape, Allen wrenches, utility knives, and the creme de la creme. It comes with that cordless electronic screwdriver, which is pretty awesome, similar to the Fantic one, except this one comes with a bunch of different bits. Pretty awesome set. Now it's available at Costco for $39.99. Currently not on sale. It's $48.99 here online, but still $39.99 at the warehouse. Fantastic price. In the number 14 spot from Nespresso, we have the Vertuo next. This is their deluxe, so that means it comes with the frother, and it also comes with 32 capsules as well. They even give you a $20 voucher, which is included to Nespresso.com. Fantastic price. My only issue with this coffee machine, the coffee just didn't get hot enough for my liking. If you like your coffee hot, this may not be the machine for you, unless they change the design of it, but I'm not too sure about that. If they have, and you do own this machine, let us know in the comment section below. Today, they're giving us a $40 discount, $139.99, also available at Costco online for the same price. And here we have the Suncast Smart Tube Hose Hideaway. It does come with brass connections. There's no assembly required. There's no nozzle included, and it can hold up to 100 feet of hose length. That's 5/8 of an inch thick. Pretty awesome design here. Today, a massive discount, $20 off the price. Like I said in my video last week, I feel like these discounts are starting to get bigger and bigger. $20 off is a pretty massive discount for this product. $59.99, available at Costco online for $10 more. In the number 16 spot, from Wet and Forget, we have the Extreme Reach Outdoor Hose. This ends moss and mold mildew. You do get 68 ounces in total. You just wet it down, forget it. No need to pressure wash your fence for hours. Just spray it down with this and then you're good to go. Check out the results later on. This is a fantastic product to pick up. I wish I've used this in the past, but now I use it for certain scenarios. If you do have like a cedar fence, spray it down, spray it on your roof, spray it on your siding. $6 off the price, $23.99. And we do have the shelf liner back on sale once again, 30 feet in total. They're giving us a $5 discount today. This is a premium shelf and drawer liner. This is from the brand Contact. Now we do get 30 feet in length in total, as I mentioned. Super easy to cut. Now you can use this for a different type of variety of scenarios and spaces. Pretty nice product here. They're 18 by 15 feet in length. Now these are $5 off, bringing the price down to $14.99. You do get 2 rolls per pack. Now I did want to show you this TV from LG, currently on clearance. Now it has sold out before at Costco online because it's on clearance. This is their 75-inch QNED 90 series, their 4K TV. It does come with the Allstate 3-year protection plan, so that means you get 5 years of total coverage. Also comes with a magic remote. It's a mini LED backlighting with precision dimming, and today it's on clearance for $899.97. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you have seen this pergola at your local Costco. You probably had it on display. An all-black version was sold at the warehouse. A little bit bigger. This one's only 10 by 10 feet, but it's still very large, still comparable to the one at your local warehouse, except this one is all white. They even have gray available as well. Check out that price. Pretty awesome. Delivered right to your front door for only $1,499.99. This pergola is pretty sweet. Has a built-in gutter system. Pretty awesome at this price point. And here we are back at the warehouse. We got the Moen one-handle bathroom faucet in the number 20 spot. Now this faucet is a single handle lever that makes it pretty easy to adjust the water level. Aesthetically, it does look pretty sweet. Now you can use this for a single hole or a 3-hole top. They include a deck plate to cover the other holes if you do have a 3-hole currently. Pretty awesome faucet from Moen. Amazing reviews online. Super good price. $15 off. It's only going to cost you $54.99. We have the brushed nickel, we have the chrome, and we also have the matte black. So 3 colors are available. And this one's from Eufy. We have their security cam. This is their Solo Cam S3. It has pan tilt. It's an outdoor camera. No monthly fees as well. 360 surveillance. It's powered by solar, which is great. Has color night vision. It's only 2K resolution, but a lot of people don't mind that these days. Local storage, so that means no monthly fees. And today, a pretty awesome discount at $30 off the price. Here at the warehouse, $119.99. At Costco online, you can pick it up for $10 more. In the number 22 spot, another fan favorite here, we have the Laughing Cow cheese. This is the light version. You do get 32 cheese wedges, and these are pretty good. I must admit, I've had these a bunch of times, and they're pretty low calorie as well. The macros are nice and friendly. 25 calories for 1 wedge, 1 gram of carb, 2 grams of protein. Now, these are currently on sale. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 packages in total. $3 off the price, only $6.49. And here we have the 3-pack of Ring outdoor cameras. These are the stick-up cameras, so they are battery pack. These do come in a 3-pack, like I mentioned. 1080p resolution, has the 2-way talk audio. Now these are pretty nice if you don't have anything now. These are better than nothing in my opinion. Even though the quality is not the greatest, they're still better than nothing, and the price is not bad for 3 cameras. They're only $179.99. So right next to it, we also have the Rig camera bundle set. So this bundle set, it comes with the floodlight, which is wired, and then it comes with a 1 stick-up camera, which is battery operated. The floodlight is 2K video. You can add this camera set to the other stick-up cameras if you want a little bit larger set. This is not bad price at all either. $60 off the price, $189.99. Both of them are available at Costco online for the same price. And let's quickly go over the giveaway, friends. We've given away the Shark WomVac, the Power Pet cord-free handheld vacuum. The link will be in the comment section. All you got to do is click that link. Once you click that link, this page will pop right up. Now, once this page opens up, we have 5 different ways we can enter. Starting from the top, let's review the 5 different ways. So the very first way is to visit me here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. You will get 3 entries for that. Now the second way is to follow me over on Instagram. Just click that link and you will get 1 additional entry. And the third way is to click my Instagram photo that I have a link there. Just click that link, like the photo, leave a comment, maybe share it with somebody, and you'll get an additional entry for that. So the fourth way you can enter the giveaway is watch my Amazon video for this month. I haven't made one yet, but I am going to make one this week, so make sure you watch that. I'm going to put a secret code in the video. Grab that code, punch it in, and you will get 5 additional entries for watching that video. And our final way to enter the giveaway, just click that link. It'll take you to my YouTube channel. Watch my newest video available and leave a comment. Leave something like I entered the giveaway and you will get an additional 3 entries for that. All right, friends, hopefully you did enjoy today's video and hopefully those instructions were pretty clear. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to support the channel even further, all we ask is for that thumbs up button, like, comment, and share. Also, friends, if you have Instagram, head over to Instagram and follow me at Watch the Deal Finder. We have some great content showing you the best Costco deals every week on my channel. We got a new video coming up very soon with Costco's clearance. I have to make a video on that. We have a new Sam's Club video just around the corner. We have a Home Depot coming up soon, a Lowe's coming up soon, a new Amazon video this week. I know a lot of people were asking for that. I put up a few other videos here. Make sure you watch Costco's coupon book video. We had a lot of great deals there. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.